I'm going to show you how we went from this to this in 3 simple steps in about a 3-week period of time. So if you saw from that other picture, it was muddy as all get out, looked like chocolate milk almost. Let's open this box, see what we have in here. I just bought this off Amazon. We have inside that big box, we've got 100 feet of weighted air hose. We have a 10-inch diffuser. We have, ouch, we have a timer, bag of hardware. It's a 3/4 horse air compressor. Let's get this thing out and put together and running. Yes! Yeah. It is. I don't know if you can see that, but that's working good in the neighborhood. I am ecstatic at the moment with the way that thing is churning up stuff. We have some Air Max Nature's Blue Pond Dye dissolvable packets. 2 packets, treats 1 acre, 4 to 6 feet deep. Alright, here we go with the first packet. Alright, here we go with number 2. Okay, just to follow up on their pond dye experiment, you saw how it looked after we put the blue colored dye in there. Didn't really care for that much, so we went back and got some of this. This is a black diamond pond dye. It's a little more difficult to use than the packets that we just throw in there. Matter of fact, I had some of this land in what I call hair because I don't have much, and it looked like Freddy Krueger had gotten a hold of me, but luckily it all came out. We're going to put some beneficial bacteria into the pond. This is what we ordered. I actually ordered 4 gallons of it because initially you put in 1 gallon a week, and then after that you can make it half that dosage over a month, I believe the instructions said, but this is supposed to be enough for this size pond. And you can see we've got a ton of tadpoles in here, but the way we're going to put this out is just open the lid and walk around the edge of the pond here a little bit and you know, pour some out as we go along. I'm probably going to put a lot more over towards where the aerator is pumping up right now, and that should help spread this throughout the pond fairly rapidly. So let's get busy. Now once this cattail here starts blooming out, the flowering stage, we'll come in here with some aquatic glyphosate and spray some of that down. I don't mind some of it being here, but I don't want it taking over the pond, so we're going to try and stay on top of that. Our aerator has been running 24 hours a day now for about a week, and it has seemed to help quite a bit. But having a pond is pretty much like everything else. It takes some maintenance and some upkeep. You dump the beneficial bacteria into it. Pond bacteria is to help eliminate some of that sludge and slimy stuff that you get on the bottom of your pond. And this is supposed to do the trick. Let's get a little bit of water in here. All right, that's all there is to that. I'll let you know how it goes. Like I said, it's going to take about a month for all this to have a good effect. So we'll keep you updated. Got any questions? Drop them down below. All right, if you like how that stuff went, please consider a like and subscribe. And we will see you next time. From Hidden Acres Outdoors, I'm David. Bye.